Hi, what's up guys? In today's video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to convert a PDF file to a Word document. So it's absolutely very simple. If you want to convert your PDF files to a Word document, then kindly stick to the end of this video so you'll be able to know how to do that with ease. It's very simple. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification icon. To my returning subscribers, you guys are doing a wonderful job. Thank you for coming back. So, and if at the end of this video it was really helpful to you, consider liking this video, comment and share to your loved ones so they can be able to also see this video. So without further ado, the first step is to go to whatever browser you're using and search for file converter. Now as you can see here, this one what we have right here, it says online converter. As you can see it here, that is the one we are going to be using. So you tap on it. It's the first on the list, though if you scroll down you're going to see there are lots of them, but that is the one we are going to be using. As you can see, we have lots of them, but the one we're going to be using is this first one. It's ranking first on Google search, so that is what we're going to use. So you tap on it. As you can see, this is the page. This is how the site looks like. As you can see, there are other things you can also do on the site. So you just have to scroll down. As you can see right here, it says PDF to Word. As you can see here, so we're just going to tap on it. Now here it says choose a file. Okay, as you can see here, it says convert PDF to Word. So that is absolutely what we want to do. So right here it says drop file here. So let's choose the file we want to convert to Word document. So let's choose the file. So this is it. So you just select the file which you want. Select the file which you want to convert to Word document. So as you can see it right here, the document is already uploading, and the next thing you just have to do is to click on start. As you can see right here, so you just click on start and immediately it will start to load. Now you can see here it says please wait while your file is being processed. So you just have to wait a few seconds and it's gonna pop out this. Now as you can see, our document, your converted file, this is our converted file right here already. So this is it. If you want to download it, you can just go ahead and click on download. As you can see it, click on download. If you want to convert to original file again, you can do it. You can download the zip file, you can convert another file to doc. So that's just basically how to convert from your PDF to your Word document. I believe this video was really helpful. If it was, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, comment, like this video, and also don't forget to share this video. Thank you and see you in the next one.